Okay, so we're back from the farmer's market and I bought my mum a bunch of flowers because it's Mother's Day tomorrow, so this is like my Mother's Day gift in advance, and it'll look really pretty tomorrow morning. Like when she wakes up, it'll just be sitting on the kitchen table and it's gonna look really nice. I need to clean my room. The floor is actually not the worst, but like every other surface in my room is just covered in junk that has accumulated over the past like 2-3 months, and I need to just get rid of it. That's the end of Saturday. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, so we're probably just gonna like have tea, get up early, go for a walk or something like that, and then my brother has a footy game and I might go watch. I don't know. Right now I'm literally just laying in bed with my blanket because I'm cold and lazy. But yeah, hopefully later I get to go for a walk and maybe make some dinner. I think I might make mulled pears for dessert because it's like autumn and we haven't done that once this autumn, even though I always do it in autumn. So yeah, the rest of this video will probably be me going for a walk and then either making dinner or making like mulled pears for dessert. So yeah. I'm just like standing in my front yard admiring the sunlight and the autumn leaves and just like had dinner and now I'm just like finishing my one. Oh, I got a low warning anyway, a low battery warning. I'm just finishing this in my room, and like normally I'm not a red wine drinker. I prefer like white wine, or honestly just like not wine at all, but it's kind of growing on me. Like tonight something shifted and I was kind of like, wait, red wine is actually okay. But controversial opinion, I like it cold. I don't understand how people can drink at room temperature. I don't care if I'm not an expert. That's my controversial take. That brings us to the end of the day. The pears were super delicious. I recommend making them if you would like. Follow a recipe though, don't just do what I did, because I kind of like made it up as I went along. I just finished eating them and I watched a bit of MasterChef with my mom, and now I'm just chilling in my room and having another cup of tea, which is like my third for the day or something like that. I normally have even more, so it's It's fine. I do have this little vlog camera, which is dead because I lost the charger for it. But I did order a new charger online, and hopefully that should come and I can get back to filming stuff on there. And I can make better videos and just get more comfortable with like talking and editing also. Thank you for watching. Good night.